Have you ever wondered how much money YouTube animal story channels like this one actually make? This channel, focused solely on the story of a little yellow chick, was created in February and gained 2 million subscribers in just 3 months, earning at least $130,000. All this revenue comes from touching stories about a little chick. You won't believe that these videos can be generated for free with just one click using AI. This means you also have the chance to create viral videos. Don't doubt it, Novi AI is a new all-in-one AI tool for video generation. Just input a command, and in 3 minutes, you can create a stunning 3D animation video. First, click the link in the description to download Novi AI for free. Once open, you'll see its simple and user-friendly layout, making it very easy to operate. Besides 3D animations, you can also choose other video types on the homepage. Before creating, you can select an animal as your story's main character, like a puppy or kitten. And at this time, I'll use a little yellow duck as the protagonist to demonstrate the production process. We can use ChatGPT to generate the story script and details. Just give ChatGPT a one-sentence summary, and it will provide corresponding visuals and a storyboard. You'll see that ChatGPT has described the visuals and prompts, so convenient. Open Novi AI, paste the story text from ChatGPT into the prompt input area of Novi AI. Next, you can choose the video's language in this section. I'll stick with English. Now it's time to select your video style. As you can see, there are several styles available, such as 3D cartoon, Disney comic book, GTA, anime, and more. Since this video is about animals, I'll choose Story for Kids. After choosing, click AI Generate. The AI will create a story script for you. Once it's done, you'll see the script divided into multiple scenes with an image generated for each scene. The more lines in your script, the more scenes it generates. If you want to modify any scenes, you can easily do so here. You can also adjust the video's dimensions. I'll choose a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then select Generate. Wow! Novi AI processes the text and produces beautiful images. If you're not satisfied with the visuals, you can use AI drawing to recreate them. If you want to turn the images into animations, just click here to generate it with one click. On the right, you have various voice options and font styles to customize your video. Novi AI includes all the elements you need, eliminating the need for additional voiceover or editing software. You can complete the entire video production in one AI tool. It's incredibly convenient and time-saving. Highly recommended. Wow, let's check out the final file together.
He spots a baby lying quietly on the shore, surrounded by soft grass.
This entire video production process takes no more than 3 minutes, really fast and easy. Most importantly, all the tools mentioned are free, especially Novi AI, which allows for direct text-to-video creation. It's just too convenient. I'll drop the download link in the comments below so everyone can download it for free. Getting rich is not a dream. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.